Alright, hello and welcome everybody. Merry Times here. You might notice the name change from Merry Maritimers. That was quite a mouthful, so I figured I'd shorten it up a little bit. And yeah, I've been gone for over a year now. I had a little baby with my wife and just took the last year off to, hang out, do all of my stuff with the kid. So it's been great. It's been wonderful. I've been loving it a lot. And also though, gotta keep up with some hobbies and keep going with stuff that I love to do. So back at this, and yeah, hope you're glad to see me back. Hope everything's going well out there. So today's video is a subscriber request, so we're going to go over how to use Sketchup to submit when you're doing QA with NRCan. So typically they will not open a Sketchup file, so we're going to have to go through, dimension off our sketch, and then just save it as a screenshot. I use the snipping tool. I find that to be pretty easy. So let's just jump right into it. All right, so we have our drawing here. And if we were to go to tools, we can go to dimensions and then basically dimension off our sketch. It's pretty simple. There's a few little things to note, but one thing that's really handy is if you go to Windows, go to Preferences, go to Shortcuts. If you type up here dimensions or DIM, you can see I've assigned it to D. So you just type in whatever shortcut you want it to be here, hit the plus icon, and then you've got it now as a keyboard shortcut. So when I hit D, see my mouse turns white. So that means I'm in the dimension mode instead of the select tool. And we would just simply go and click on a corner, click on another corner, pull out, pull in, however you want to do it, like so. And you would do this for, all of your perimeters and surface areas. And then a good thing to note, when you're doing headers, let's see right now, it's quite hard to read that. If I was to try and take a screenshot like this, you can barely make it out. You can kind of see, the 29 and the 34 pretty easily. So what you want to do is go back to your selection tool, click on your header, and then over here, I would suggest going from centered, you can go outside start. And then what's that is going to do is make it above. If you were to select the outside end, then it puts it below. So however you think you should do it. That's what I would do for that. And then I would just dimension off my heights as well. So I think probably dimensioning it so it's underneath makes more sense when you've got another dimension above it. And then it's also super easy. You got gables, you can dimension them like so, dimension off that as well, all the way around. And then a good thing to also note is if you want to put more information on your sketch, you can use the text tool. And if you click on any of these, it's going to give you the floor areas automatically, like so. So you can add in that, or if you want to have your little gable area, you can put that in as well. Side, that kind of stuff. So you can make it very easy to see kind of thing. You could also get the volume of your house, which I believe I went over in another video. Just make this a group, use our solid inspector tool, and then I like to copy that, use the text tool, just click on it, paste it in. And then essentially from this, we would just use the snipping tool to take basically a screenshot of it. So that's standard on all Windows. You should have that installed on your computer already, but let's just go over it. So to use it, you just hit new, and then you just kind of highlight over what you want to show that. And then you would just say save as and save it into your folder. Call it your sketch drawing. That's pretty much it. That's how you can use SketchUp to have a good sketch for QA. Obviously, you should have it on your DCF, or if you're using SketchUp on site, then this would be what you want to do to have all your dimensions and everything to be shown properly for quality assurance purposes. And also, it's just a lot easier to use and see and read this typically than a hand-drawn sketch. So I hope this helps. I hope you have a good one. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other suggestions, please let me know, and have yourselves a good one. Catch you later.